Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be doing a completely original idea, completely made by me, called the... About to use another weapon. Stupid idiot.
What the fuck?
What are you doing, Bozo? What the hell?
So I fired again, and I missed.
Woo! Ah! 2 games. Finally found one.
Okay, Wesley, that's not fair.
I'm just keep on going, boy. Oh shit. Do I feel die coming?
Yup!
Great.
Well, no fucking shit!
And now they're spamming.
Great.
Ow.
Give me pum pum, give me pum pum, God, give me pum.
Jesus,
Okay.
how many med mists do you need?
A lot, apparently. Jesus.
朋友是一个坚韧不拔的人。
Alright, where is this bozo? Is that... Oh, bet.
Not the others.
Yep, I'm doing so. You don't need to tell me.
Oh, great.
孩子们找孩子要的 get das
Idiot.
If you find another junction,
Alright, I'm gonna just call in an AC-30 on this frickin' tower. Jesus.
my
Je-
God.
Jesus. Insert.
Don't let your kids watch it!
Get him, boys.
Tough, I still cut you with a local tax. Can I ran off the...
Yeah, got us. Okay. We are allowed to use buses.
Are you sure about that? Or are we sure that we can use buses? How's your day going, Alex? Oh shit, Alex has just been here.
Jesus.
Alex, put on the power cord backbone. Well, sorry, the
Right.
Shut your fucking mouth! Do you honestly think you're fucking
My g- Oh my gosh.
Alex, do you have ours?
Come on.
Sing, sing!
Oh my god. Oh sh. Alright, bro, I'm out. there are kids right behind me. And there's kids all... I'm gonna slowly turn my back away from them. Yes, there are kids there. I would like to confirm that. Coming right toward me. They're coming right toward me. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. The man just got sniped out. Oh, fuck me! Oh, so somehow gamers in freaking the Daily Booger. Brick, you're gonna be for Brick, it's content. And you know content is king. I love my content. Content. I like it. I mean, you said it too. Yeah, you did. You did. You did. You did. You did.
Thank you.
You know the rules, and so do I.
I'm so glad I'm literally like pausing the recording every time Brick says that. Oh wait, Ariana Grande.
Let you down.
See what happened.
Come on.
I'm good.
So you said my main skins were Grit, my mom, and my dad? Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure you said that. So in that case, I really hope you did. Hey. But push their asses. Beat their ass. Whoop their ass. Whoop their ass. Whoop their ass. Beat their ass. Beat their ass. All right, I'm rip napping all of you. All right, come on, AC-30 bombers, let's go.
No, I'm getting a pony.
AC-30 bombers, let's go.
I like M&M's.
Kids, Northeast 60.
Yeah.
I didn't say like kids.
Yes, you did. You told me the other day, you're like,
Get their ass.
this is so cute. Gun shotgun kill? Got it.
Shut the fuck down.
Sagan said a bad word.
I don't care at this point. All I want is this challenge to be done. What, the one that doesn't even have a facial recognition?
Yep, that one.
Just get out of here, boy. Say it.
Balak, no. Balak.
Alec, please. I
Please.
will do anything.
Balak, pick it up.
Balak.
Pick it up. Balak,
I will do anything. I
Balak,
will
I
do
swear to
anything.
God.
Seriously.
Don't do it. Don't do
Seriously.
it. Balak, pick it.
I need it. Here, look.
Balak,
Wait.
Okay, can you guys stop, like, freaking yelling each other? Stop yelling at each other.
Balak, why? Why'd you fall, bro? Why'd you
You know
fall?
why? You know why? I gave him a dub. I gave him the dub.
Yeah, do you think, like, I can't really, I'm not able to speak, really. But, sit down, boy.
Sagan's fighting kids. He loves his kids. Got a wrist to go.
I'm getting beamed by a bot.
Alright, Sagan. You ready to go get arrested?
Please don't kidnap me. Don't kidnap me! Get away from me!
I love online dating. I love dating children on Roblox. Oh.
Pushing P. Pushing P.
Pushing P. You know, you gotta just push P everywhere.
I didn't even see what I was doing and I still killed that guy. I'm just that cool. Okay.
I need more shotgun bolts. Can someone just like maybe land something?
Sit down.
Can someone lend me some shotgun?
I don't care. Just shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Kid on me, kid
Shut
on
up.
me, kid on me, kid on me!
Okay, okay. It's easy. Just.
I'm going to die!
We know you're gonna die. Just don't die then.
Let's go, Valley.
Thank you!
That's the shit, bro.
Thank you!
Power friendship.
Now can someone please
Aim.
I literally love Valley. He's like my best friend.
I just got shot at by a tank. I need help.
Oh shit, we have to worry about it. Bro, that changed the entire game.
And I'm lagging.
So are we allowed to spray the shit out of it? Like, can
Honest-
I pick up an SMG and spray out of it? Please.
I mean, no, let just other people third party. We need to let them third party.
Alright, pick up the second.
We need to do something about it.
Oh my god, guys. Guys!
There is no guys.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Yeah, there is! Oh yeah, there is!
Okay. There's kids up there. I'm gonna shockwave. Is that okay? What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at? I'm dead. How am I not
Then
dead?
you should have let us have something to destroy that tank. Those kids in those tanks wouldn't be there anymore if we
Oh
had
my god.
something.
Holy shit. How am I not dead?
I'm dead. Every single time.
Don't get mad at me, daddy. Kids right next to us. Push their ass. Oh shit.
Hey man, I'm done, bro.
Okay.
Whoa!
And this is it.
Not to
going.
be fucked with. Because you could have freaking helped if you freaking came over to me.
What I was gonna
No.
Trying to get out of
stop. I'm
there. Don't do the joke.
Ah! I have Val's card. Someone needs to get him.
Well, you're gonna need my reboot. So you said like if we win this game, as these skins, you'll quit the game. You'll quit the
I
game.
was kidding. That was a figure of speech.
No. Do it. I'll PayPal you $100. And we're landing tilted. Well, we're just gonna be
Who the fuck said I was?
booed to the sweats. No. I'm gay.
Do it then. Kill me.
Bro, you're trash, bro. Is them tears, bro? Come on, bro. You gotta get to the.
Just stand still. Yeah, just screw off.
Oh, wow!
A drum shotgun is a freaking SMG, dipshit.
Sing, 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 sing,
What
sing,
the hell
sing.
just happened?
What is going on inside their head?
Ladies on an escalator! Going upstairs, so see you later!
Andrew, can you actually protect us?
Lifeline! Lifeline! Rescue! Lifeline, you...
Like, not just stare at us with... Okay, you don't have to be drama alert. Mexican taco craves blood.
Fucking taco time!
Yeah, I can see that.
Enemy spotted.
Hey, baby. Get pushed from super far.
Nope.
Nope.
Oh, fuck yeah, brother. I'm hard as a rock.
Fucking taco time!
You're an idiot.
Obi-Wan's lightsaber, I want Obi-Wan.
Let's go up, boys. Go up. The bubble shield.
I hit one of them for 111, but I don't know if they got knocked.
Oh, 111.
Probably a
There, get him.
Crack, crack, crack. Oh, good shit, Fallon.
Tank, we need him dead. Just spray them. Just anvil them. Okay, good, we're good. Okay, shield bubble.
Oh, fuck yeah, brother. I'm hard as a rock.
Oh my god. This is it, boys. Shield bubbles are actually goated. Whew. Kids wear. This is actually what I've been waiting. Remember, I got 2 rifts if you guys want to pop them.
I just nosed them.
I need shotgun ammo. Give me shotgun ammo.
Fucking taco time! I got it with you. Let's go, baby. What a shot.
My god. Oh, they're over here.
Rebooted.
Good shit. Right here.
Let's go, boys. Alright, no, nothing but drum shotgun for this final kills, okay?
Seriously?
Yup.
Where are they? I need to get the...
Messi. Immens Messi. Encara Messi.
Wait, I need to get the final kill. Or just do that. It was a shotgun.
Cheese.